Hi friends, welcome to another video, and in this video I will be showing you all how I do my laundry when we don't have power. We have been having some difficulty lately. We are losing electricity quite often, and it's because we've been having a lot of high winds and rain, and a couple of storm has hit us, and so we sometimes the grid goes down. But we are not really worried about that because we are very prepared when it comes to having the right equipment for when the grid goes down. So as you can see, I have this antique washboard and I am inside. You cannot see it, but I have some towels on the ground and my galvanized bucket is on top of them so the floor will not get wet, and I am washing my laundry. So I don't have to wait to do my laundry. Even if we don't have electricity, I can wash my laundry inside and hang it, outside to dry. The reason I'm washing inside is because we had rain and the mosquito population out there is just terrible this morning. So until like noon when the sun come out really bright, then the mosquitoes are going to be a little bit less. So yeah, I'm washing inside and it's pretty easy. It's not difficult at all. And I have a well pump in the other section of my house, and I can go there and just rinse my laundry, get them all clean, and then I'll wring them outside when I'm hanging them on the line to take off any excess water. And yeah, and this is how I do my laundry when we have no power. So I can get my day going and I'm not really worried about having my laundry pile up because I like to do my laundry every second day. And when I have loads of laundry, it just kind of gets me irritated because I do not like to do more than 2 loads of laundry per day and just fold them and put them away. And this has been a very fun experience. And the kids, as you can see, are helping me with the water. My son is pumping water from the well and he's just bringing water in this big bucket, and we just rinsing our laundry there, and then we hang them up on the line to dry. So having things ready and prepared for when the grid goes down is very important for people who are living out in the rural countryside. And but in the winter time, it's a little bit much. It can be a little bit more difficult because it's colder. And sometimes we do have power outages in the winter, but I have I have a rack that I put my clothes on, and I put them close to the fireplace, and my clothes are dry really quickly. But we don't lose so much power in the winter time. I think for this year we lost power about 5 times. Well, I think it's a lot. But for this year we had much more power outages. The beginning of the spring months, we had much more power outages because of the temperament of the weather this year. So this is exactly what I'm doing. So yeah, I'll let you guys continue watching the video of me just washing and rinsing my laundry and stuff like that. And leave a comment in the bottom of the video and tell me how you wash your clothes off grid, or if you recently start living in the rural countryside, or you bought property or something, and how do you do laundry if you're off grid. And also let me know, how do you do your laundry when you don't have power? Do you wait until the power come back, or do you just use methods like what I am using? This washboard, it's over 100 years old. It's an antique washboard, and I bought it at an auction. This is my second washboard. I had two, and when I was moving to this house, somebody stole one in the moving process. I don't know if it was people who was helping me move, or when we put some stuff by the side of the road next to the truck, if it was stolen that time. But anyways, one was stolen. But they are glass, and they work really, really well. You just have to be careful you don't, like, knock it to break the glass when you're putting it down or something like that. And as you can see here in this part of the video, I have this metal rack, and this is what I use to put my clothes on during the winter time when we have power outages. Kitty's in the garden. Kitty, you in the garden? Yeah? You in the garden, Kitty?